The Nigerian Navy wishes to inform the general public and all potential applicants that the online registration for its by 34 recruitment exercise will commence on Sunday, 7th August and close on Saturday, 17th of September 2022. Applicants are to apply online at www.joinnigeriannavy.com. Application is free of charge. Applicants must possess a minimum of 5 credits and not more than 2 sitting in WASH, SSCE, GCE, NECO and NABTEB. School cert must not be older than 6 years from date of application. Applicants must be between the ages of 18 to 22 years by January 2023. The recruitment exercise will commence with online screening of applicants' qualification, followed by recruitment examination at designated centers nationwide. Applicants are advised to read the detailed instructions and requirements at www.joinnigeriannavy.com. Announcer Commodore A.O. Ayovon for Chief of the Naval Staff.